today I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Zello app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on options, then come to next here. Then all you have to do, just click here on push to talk buttons here. So then you click here on this sign screen button here, and here can you select screen button actions if you want to add hold to talk or toggle here or disable it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. So that's all you have to do to select here. That's all. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.